Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am making a delicious prawn and pepper pulao that's ready in less than 30 minutes. And this video is brought to you in collaboration with Waitrose. At the moment, Waitrose have got new lower prices on hundreds of customer favorite products, and I'll be using some of those to make this delicious pulao. With the rest of the ingredients, I have picked up these essential Waitrose rocking prawns that are ASC certified and right now at a new lower price. Just gonna get 2 red onions and thinly slice this first. A nice hot pan and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and just let it heat through. And once it's nice and hot, I'm going to add the onions. Just going to cook this for 5 minutes until softened. Just going to thinly slice this as well. Just going to add the peppers now. And just give it 2 minutes. And I'm just going to weigh out 300 grams of long grain easy cook rice. And then just rinse it a couple of times. So the onions and peppers are looking lovely. I'm going to add some lovely spices to this. So in goes a teaspoon of sea salt, teaspoon and a half actually. Sprinkling of some chili flakes. I'd go for a teaspoon. A teaspoon of ground cumin. That's going to give us a lovely flavor. And 2 teaspoons of this lovely degi mirch spice blends. So I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of that and then give it a good mix. Just make sure to lower the heat now so you don't burn the spices. Just put all of it in, just mix, and then I'm going to go in straight with the rice. I'll give it a good mix so the prawns and rice are coated in all these spices. Look at that, absolutely stunning, and it smells really, really lovely. And once you've coated the rice and prawns, I'm going to add 600 ml of boiling water. So now we work quickly. Give it a stir, cover and cook this for 15 minutes on low heat. The timer has just gone off, so what I'm going to do is just turn the heat completely off and let this sit for 15 minutes before I open the lid. And after 15 minutes of rest, this is ready. It does smell absolutely incredible. And just use a fork. Oh, look at that. Just the way all the rice is fluffy and not sticky. The prawns are cooked really nicely. And now I'm going to plate this up. I'm just going to finish this with some fresh coriander leaves, which are completely optional. You can use a bit of mint if you like, or some chives or anything else you might have in the fridge. And that's it. Prawn and pepper pulao ready in minutes, less than half an hour. Super simple, smells amazing, and I'm going straight in. Oh, the warmth and heat coming through is just so lovely. Just with the basic spices, that degi mirch is really coming through. It's got a beautiful kick to it. The prawns are really nice and juicy because we've cooked it in the steam with the rice. The rice is fluffy. I really hope you will enjoy this and give it a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another new recipe. Bye for now.